to video. So that was a little preview of one of my upcoming videos, the original lick I'm working on for economy picking video. Today though, we're going to focus on strength and endurance. So I'm going to show you a couple simple exercises that you can do at any level. These are most beneficial if you're not always getting enough time to practice. And if you're already practicing hours a day, you probably don't need strength and endurance as much, especially if you're playing fast and complex licks. But if you're missing days or having just very short periods of time, these exercises can be done in less than a minute, and you can still maintain your strength this way. Or if you're a beginner and try to build up some strength, these are good ways. So one will be done on the guitar, and one will be done without the guitar, so you can practice even when you don't have your guitar near you and still work on. If you like the content, please subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I've also got a link to Patreon down in the description from the video. So first one I'm going to work on is a trilling exercise. So trilling is just a series of hammer-on pull-offs. So I'm doing that type of thing. And the key to this is get a clean sound, to hear both the hammer-on and pull-off, and then you're going to play it as fast as you can. Start off slow and then build up your speed. This way you can get it done quickly and you can get the maximum benefit on your strength and endurance. It's like if you're running, a decent runner can jog for hours, but even an Olympic caliber runner can't sprint for very long at full speed. You're going to win yourself out. So really push yourself to go as fast as you can, but if you're getting to where the notes aren't clean, slow it down. So the first one's easy. I'm going to do it on the second string. This way I can't get sloppy and be pulling straight down where I'd be hitting the string under it, but pulling out a little bit so that I would clear that string. So basically I'm just doing it continuously. Again, play it continuously at the fastest speed you can until you start feeling some soreness in your arm. Once you start feeling some soreness, stop, shake it out, rest for a second. Then we're going to move to the next finger. So this is going to get harder. So now instead of just doing this, which would be fairly easy, we're going to isolate the third finger, and we'll keep both the first and second finger down while we're doing this. So I can start with a pick, or I can start just by hammering on, either way. If you need to start off slow to make sure you're getting a clean note, that's fine. And then again, go as quickly as you can. Probably with especially beginner intermediate people, after all 10 seconds you're probably going to get tired if you're really pushing yourself to go fast. So it's not going to take long to get through these. Now the hardest one is the pinky, and again, fairly easy to do this, but we're going to isolate it and hold all three of these fingers down. So I'm only using the pinky, and then same thing. You do it continuously until you start feeling a little bit of tiredness. Stop, shake it out. Probably don't do this at the beginning of your practice session, as it might have a negative effect on your playing if you're already tired. But do it at the end of a session, or if you only got a few minutes to practice, you can quick do this. Anytime if you're getting sore, stop, don't overdo it. Okay, so that's the first exercise. The second one actually comes from martial arts, and you don't need a guitar on this one. You can do both hands, or you can just do one, your left hand. If you're not finger picking, then left hand is probably fine, but if you want to keep your hands balanced and not have one a lot stronger than the other, you can do both hands. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my hand all the way up so it's stretched open, then we're going to close it into a fist, and then reopen it. But again, I'm going to do it at more full speed. So I'm going to do it as fast as I can, continuously, until I start feeling my forearms tiring out. Once I do, then I stop, or I slow down. I would just do one continuous session, but you could do it more of a interval training where I could slow down and then go fast and do it for a set amount of time, then slow down again and then go fast again, whatever way works for you. And again, like the other exercise, if you're tiring yourself out too much, take a break. Don't do it at the beginning of your practice session if you're going to have to play a bunch of complex things, because when you're tired, your accuracy goes down. Okay, there's a lot of other drills I can show you, but we're going to leave it at those two simple ones for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.